Hello people, today I'm gonna show you how to do a screen shake effect with Final Cut Pro 10. You can use this effect as transition or just a normal effect on part of your clip. Let's get started. First of all, you need to install this adjustment layer and the link will be in the description and you can just download. And how to install this adjustment layer will be also put in the description as well. So I'm just gonna drag this adjustment layer to the clip above, something like that, and I'm gonna go to the precise movements where I want to create camera shake or screen shake effect. It's about this part, and then I'm gonna cut away the slacks like this. Yeah, press M for creating markers. Yep, just a little tip. And this is what the original clip looked like. This is that one dude dancing and doing some move, you know, to intimidate this dude over here. And I'm gonna make this move a little bit shaky, screen shake kind of effect. So this is the first step. Create an adjustment layer and cut it to the precise movement you want it to create this effect. After that, go to the effects tab and look for, first of all, handheld effect. Drag it, put it over here, and let's just watch this effect first. Yeah, it's not very shaky because the shakiness over here is not high enough, so I'm just gonna drag this over to 100%. And it's a little bit shaky, but that's not enough. I'm gonna add another layer, another little twist, which is called earthquake. I'm gonna drag this over here, and this creates a little bit of blurry, shaky, kind of unstable effect. Very cool. Maybe to some this is a good enough, you know, screen shake effect, but this is never good enough for me. This is because during this part everything just seemed lost focus, but I want it to be focusing on certain part of the movement. So I'm gonna focus and track the movement of the right foot of this dude. So I'm gonna go to view, click this and just choose show horizon. After that, select adjustment layer and go to the start of this adjustment layer and go and create two keyframes. First of all, position. Second of all, scale all. And I'm gonna go and scale in a little bit around this moment. Bam, scaling to 155%. And I'm gonna click this little frame over here. Click this or select transform. And I'm just gonna pull down the whole screen so the right foot will be in the center of the whole screen. After that, I'm also gonna minimize the entire screen so I can see precisely what this movement is going to be like, and press my right arrow key, maybe a few frames, and adjust this movement once in a while, something like that. And at this moment, I decide to try and scale out back to the original scale, which is 100%. So I'm gonna create a keyframe here, and at the end, going to go back to 100. And yep, change the position as well. Yep, something like that. And hit play. Yep, and that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, and this is kind of awesome. And say you have another clip and you want to make this, you know, screen shake as a transition, you can just always cut this away and go to the moment you want to jump in around here maybe, and change the duration a little bit and hit play. Yep, this is smooth and camera shake, sort of a transition screen shake. Yep, very simple and it looks amazing. That's all for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.